Hey, it's the House Hacker John. I'm here today to tell you a little bit about what I know most popular sites for REO. So if you're looking for a bank owned property, whether it be for you to live in or for investment, this is the video for you. Right here, we show you a couple of different ways in which you can find a home path. That's Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae. Home steps is Freddie Mac, and then Fannie Mae is home path. And so you can search in your area or other areas, homes that are foreclosed. And some of these have preferential treatments to folks that want to be a primary occupant to the home, in other words, live in it as your primary residence instead of being an investor call. They do that for a 14 calendar day period. Also, they do that on HUD. HUD is FHA foreclosures, and that's HUD.gov. You can find all of their foreclosures for sale. One of the cool things about any of these properties is they already have a home inspection from HUD, and they tell you all the things that they think are wrong with the home right up front. Also, these homes can be financed as primary residence with as little as $100 down with the HUD. They also have the home steps and a home path house, which is a primary occupant preference. So if you're in the 14 days of the bidding, you can receive preferential bids over an investor, maybe even a cash investor. So this gives you a little bit leg up. These are only a few of the sites. I highly recommend you get with an agent in your area that knows the renovation process or what you're looking for, and they can help you with the search better than what I'm showing you here.